It's hard to discern this girl's intentions. Redditor Puzzleheaded Phil 957 posted doorbell footage showing a mysterious girl approaching their door around 2 a.m. She lingers briefly before whispering something unintelligible. She repeats it, but the words remain unclear.
Open the door. It's so cold.
Her next action, however, is unmistakable. She rings the bell again. The Redditor notes that before leaving, she attempted to open the garage. Though the encounter doesn't appear threatening, her motives are uncertain, and helping could be risky if it's a potential setup. The video sparked a debate in the comment section. One user, Basic Palpitation 47, suggested it was just someone's kid. However, Emily Strange countered this, stating they don't have children and their yard is completely fenced in, raising questions about how a child could have entered. This leaves us wondering, was this genuinely a ghost sighting captured on camera? What's your take on this perplexing footage? Let me know in the comments below. Stalked. Is this person and their child being stalked? YouTuber Rubicon Master shares this terrifying footage, hoping it's a prank. The video shows an adult and a child walking down a sidewalk at night. A car is driving slowly behind them. Once the pair reaches a truck parked at the side of the road, they duck down, as if to hide from the strange vehicle. The car slows to a stop. Unfortunately, the uploader says this is where their Ring camera cuts off. The uploader suggests that this may be a prank, but it looks incredibly suspicious to me. Why YouTuber 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞 shared a chilling video from Boston that's a stark reminder to watch your back. This footage captures a stalker getting terrifyingly close to a homeowner. Initially, it appears the individual might just be passing by. However, he then backtracks, clearly demonstrating he was trying to follow closely, perhaps hoping to get past her. If she had been even 1 second later, he might have succeeded. A disturbing thought after watching this is that he now knows where she lives. Let's hope the presence of the Ring doorbell camera was enough to deter him from returning. Get ready for a spooky ride. On Dee's Dark Adventures, a viewer from Indiana shared a chilling video that's sure to make your spine tingle. The clip shows a wagon handle slowly extending with no one in sight. Then, in complete darkness, The wagon mysteriously starts to move on its own. Commenters on the video are understandably shocked by this unexplained phenomenon. This is simply too mysterious to ignore. If I were them, I'd definitely be putting a tracker on that wagon. This chilling ring footage, shared by YouTuber 𝐿𝐶𝐭, was captured in the dead of night and features a truly disturbing visitor. Something desperately wants inside. And its voice? It sounds distinctly inhuman, almost like Gollum from Lord of the Rings. Whatever it is, you certainly wouldn't want to let it in. It's probably best to leave this thing out in the cold where it belongs. Do you believe in zombies? Reddit user 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐜𝐫𝐢 𝐵ookkeep8635 shared a bizarre clip from their doorbell camera that has people talking. It shows a man who eerily resembles a zombie, attempting to break in before collapsing backward over the railing in a way that looks painfully unnatural. Zombie or not, something is clearly very wrong. While most commenters agree he's probably under the influence of something, a few haven't ruled out the possibility that he's after brains. Whether you see it as sad or downright chilling, this video is hard to forget. A puzzling video shared by Redditor 𝐸FederalPie5044 shows a kid approaching a homeowner's doorbell camera with a device, ringing the bell, and then running away. The Redditor is asking the community for theories on what's happening.
Camera recording.
You're just as stumped as they are, but the Reddit comments offer some potential explanations. A popular theory suggests the device might be a flipper zero, used to try and hack the alarm system. Regardless of what the device is, this behavior is definitely alarming. If you live there, you'd certainly take this attempt seriously. A puzzling incident shared by TikToker @JackieBird02 has left viewers wondering, was this person hiding from someone? The footage, captured on her Ring doorbell camera at 5 a.m. while she was asleep, shows a woman crouching on the doorstep and peering cautiously around the corner. Moments later, a car slowly drives past. This strange encounter has led to much speculation. Many are asking if she was hiding from the driver of the passing car. The observation that the person might be wearing a hospital gown has prompted numerous suggestions that this could be a hospital escapee. Or, perhaps, as some jokingly suggested, a garden gnome? As the homeowner, the urge to unravel this mystery for peace of mind would be undeniable.